In the previous class, we have seen the elimination of arbitrary constant. Now we will see the elimination of arbitrary functions. Let u and v be the functions of y, and z, independent functions. Let phi of u comma v equal to 0. It represents a relation between them. We obtain the eliminating of functions u and v by differentiating partially. Let z be the independent variable. Here let u and v be the functions of x, y and z. We will treat z as a dependent variable and x, y are the independent variables. So by partially differentiating with respect to x, dou z by dou x we will take as p, dou z by dou y we will take as q, dou y by dou x equal to 0, dou x by dou y equal to 0. Now we will see the formation of partial differential equation by elimination of arbitrary functions from the given relation. Problem 1. Form a partial differential equation by elimination of arbitrary functions from z equal to f of x square plus y square. What they are asking to form a partial differential equation by eliminating the function f. So we are writing the given equation z equal to f of x square plus y square. We are treating this as equation 1. Now we want to eliminate the function f. So we are taking, if we have like this, we can't differentiate. So we are taking u equal to x square plus y square. In place of x square plus y square, substitute u. So we will get z equal to f of u. Now we are differentiating this equation partially with respect to x. So we will get dou z by dou x equal to f dash of u into dou u by dou x. Dou z by dou x equal to f dash of u, dou u by dou x is u is x square plus y square. So u dash we will get as 2x. Dou u by dou x is 2x. Dou z by dou x already I said that it is dou z by dou x we have to write as p. So dou z by dou x equal to p f dash of u into 2x. This is equation 2. Now again take this z equal to f of u, partially differentiate with respect to y. We'll get dou z by dou y equal to f dash of u into dou u by dou y. Dou z by dou y equal to f dash of u, dou u by dou y, we will get 2y. Why? Because u equal to x square plus y square, dou u by dou y equal to 2y. This dou z by dou y we will write as q, f dash of u into 2y. This is equation 3. Now we want to eliminate the function f. So we are dividing equation 2 with equation 3. What is equation 2? P equal to f dash of u into 2x. And here q equal to f dash of u into 2y. P by q equal to f dash of u into 2x by f dash of u into 2y. F dash will get cancelled. We are getting p by q equal to x by y. By cross multiplying, py equal to qx. By taking this qx to other side, py minus qx equal to 0, which is the required partial differential equation.